Okay, so for those who just joined my class, welcome to Mathematics class Form 2. So this is Mathematics DLP, and today we go to chapter 10, Gradient of a Straight Line. So before we start, I want to record this meeting first. So right now attendance is 71, 71. 71 meaning there are another 14 students. Okay, so let me open the textbook. So this is the textbook, and today we will continue with set practice 10.1. Last week we have done question number 1 until question number 7. Therefore today we will continue with question number 8. Okay, let me make it bigger. So this is question number 8. State the gradient of the straight line for each of the following. So let me copy the question first. Wait. Okay. Okay, this is the question. So let me copy the diagram for question A. Okay, so my computer today quite slow. Okay, Okay. So this is question A. State the gradient of the straight line for each of the following. To solve the question, okay, because this one no coordinate, no x and y, so we only have only two value here. Okay, first let me write here. Okay, we have a vertical distance. We have vertical distance, which is equal to 100 cm. This is vertical distance. This is vertical distance. Okay, and then we have horizontal distance equal to 50 cm, and this is the horizontal distance, 50 cm. Okay, so now we want to find gradient. Okay, we can use this formula to find the gradient. We use vertical distance divide with horizontal distance. Okay, so this is the formula. Therefore, we just substitute the value. Vertical distance is 100 cm. Divide with horizontal distance 50 cm. And the answer is 2. 100 divided 50 is 2. And there is no unit for gradient. Gradient, no unit. So the answer for question A is 2. And gradient equal to 2. That is the answer. Okay. Now let me erase this one. We proceed to question B. Question B. Okay, here. Oh, not enough. Wait, let me go down a little bit. Okay, sorry. Again. Okay. Okay, now question B. Same formula, right? So we write here gradient. Okay, sorry. Gradient. So this time I don't want to write the formula. We just write the number. Right? So gradient equal to vertical distance. Vertical distance is 12 cm. Divide with 3 cm. And the answer is 12 divided 3 is 4 and no unit. So actually if you don't want to write the unit also okay, no problem. Example, if you don't want to write the unit here, you can erase, no problem. You can write the number only, gradient 12 divided 3 because the final result gradient is no unit actually. Okay, so B, the answer is 4. Okay, now I want all of you try to answer question C. I want to use a whiteboard, so let me give you the link for the whiteboard. So I will open the chat, but only to give you the link. I think no need lah, because I still can send. Okay, so this is the link for the whiteboard. Let me send to you. Okay, try open the whiteboard. Try open the whiteboard. Okay, so far two students already enter, Chanziki and user. Try open the whiteboard. If you are using laptop, maybe quite difficult to you, but if you are using handphone, I think it should be no problem for you. If you are using handphone, no problem. This one no need to install. This is whiteboard.fi. Okay, so right now I see Chanziki, Chia Ting Huan, Balkis, Chu Yu Heng, Chong Jun Xiang, so many. Ui Zhong Hong already write something on the whiteboard. It's okay, no problem. I see also Pishang, Akil Zafran, I think. Okay, I see Vinis here. I see also Liu Zhen Yuan, right? LOL. LOL is what? Lot of love or lot of love? Go how soon? Okay. Quite so many of you. If there is no more, I want to push the question. Okay, someone already write. Okay, so I give you the question here. So this is the question. Let me push to you. Okay, so I believe that you should see a little while. You can see my question on your whiteboard. Okay, try write that. What is the answer for question C? What is the answer? Try. This is easy. Okay, I see Chanziki already write 2/7. Chua Chongchun also same. Very good. Lo Pei Chian, Du Sun Feng also wrong actually. Lo Peiqian and Lu Songfeng, wrong. Okay, let me open this one. Chan Ziki. Open this one. Okay, so this is the answer from Chan Ziki. So the answer gradient equal to vertical over horizontal. Very good. And the answer is 2 over 7. Yes, correct. 2 over 7. The answer is 2 over 7, not 7 over 2. Vertical divide with horizontal. 2 is vertical, horizontal is 7. Okay, who else I want to open? Okay, Chua Chongjun. Chua Chongjun, right? 2 over 7 equal to in decimal 0.28. This is also true, but usually gradient we write in fraction. Usually we write in fraction, not in decimal. Hasif, what is that? I don't know, Hasif. It's okay. Okay,
Sir, I can see the question.
Zuo Cheng, right? 2 over 7, 0.29. But
Sir,
another
I
one,
can't
right?
see the question.
0.28. Actually, no need to write in decimal, just write 2 over 7 enough. However, let me check. Is it 2 divide 7? 0.28 or 0.29? Which one?
Where's the question?
Yeah, let me check.
Sir,
0.29. If we want to round off the number to 2 decimal places, actually 0.29. 0.29, not 0.28. Okay, so I think enough on this whiteboard. Let me clear the whiteboard.
Someone is calling you, sir.
Okay, so we go back to the question. Let me open this one. So I use my pen again, because pen is faster compared to whiteboard.fi. Okay, next we go to question number 9. This is easy. So let me copy the question first. Okay, question number 9. And then I open the pen here. Okay, now the diagram. I think maybe I can copy everything. Okay, I think I copy everything. Again, so I copy number 9 and A until D. Okay, here. Okay. I didn't copy. I thought I copied the picture already. Again. Sorry, computer quite slow. Okay. Copy. Paste. Okay. Now it's okay. So, number 9, calculate the gradient of the straight line for each of the following. So, question number 9, this one is quite special. Why special? Because all of the diagram here start at origin. Start at origin. All the question, one point is on the origin. One point is on the origin. So, this is special. So, answer for question number 9 only valid for this type of question only. Okay. So for question number 9A, gradient. So let me write as M. Let me write as M. Usually in maths, gradient we use symbol M. M stands for gradient. M is gradient. Okay, so I put M here as a symbol for gradient. Okay, so before you want to answer, we need to know the vertical distance and the horizontal distance. So vertical distance we refer to y. We refer to y. So actually the vertical distance, the height is the height. The height is 6 units. While the horizontal distance we refer to x. We refer to x. This is the horizontal distance. Because 3 is here. This is 3. the green color, and then here is actually 6, this is 6. Okay, so the height is 6 and the horizontal is 3, okay, maybe I erase the 6 over there. Okay, so now we can write the answer gradient for question number 9a. And number 9a, vertical 6 divide with horizontal 3. And we can simplify the answer 6 divide 3 equal to 2. So the gradient for question A equal to 2. Okay, now question B. Question B, M equal to, so gradient equal to vertical. Vertical we take from Y. We take from Y. So vertical is 4 divide with horizontal. Horizontal is 8. So 4 divide with 8, or 4 over 8. And we can simplify this one. M equal to 4 over 8 equal to 1 over 3. So usually in maths, gradient we write in fraction. And usually we write in fraction, not in decimal. So we just leave it the answer like that. M equal to 1 over 2. No need to change to 0.5. No need. Okay. Next, question C. So this question C, maybe I put on the whiteboard for you to try. Okay. Let me put here. Okay, I make it bigger. So let me erase a little bit here. Okay. So we want to calculate the gradient. Let me write here for you. Gradient. Okay, equal to 1. So I push to all of you. Okay, if you can see the question on your whiteboard, you can open. Okay, try to find the answer, gradient for this question. Question C, try write the answer. Okay, I see Chanziki answer already. Negative 6 over 5. Bakish write 5 over negative, maybe negative 6. Chong Jun Xian 5 negative 6. Okay. Chu Yu Heng write in decimal negative 0.83. Okay. Okay, Yu is this is correct, and the answer is negative 5 over 6. Very good. Okay, someone still writing. Jackie, this one you write the coordinate. Actually, it's not correct. The answer should be in fraction, fraction, not in coordinate. Okay, Liu Zhenwan write negative 5 over 6. Okay, very good. Lim Kwang Heng also same. Liu Yanjie also same. Lim Pei, sorry, wrong. Low Pei okay, Low Pei very good. So far, I see answer Low Pei is very good. Okay, let me share to you. You can see answer for Low Pei. Okay, if you see here, Low Pei right here, 5 over negative 6. So negative 6 is the denominator. Okay, however, for the final answer, Low Pei right, the symbol for negative in the middle part of the fraction, negative 5 over 6. So this is the best answer. Very good. Okay, Low Pei very good. Martin Saw, Markim, this one, I think okay. Yeah, this one also Okay, good. Martin so marking also very good to A2. Okay, very good. Okay.
Your phone's mobile data is turned off, so I can't.
Okay, so far most of you very good. Oh, Zafran Hakim, 5 over negative 6, not G. Okay, I understand. So, don't worry, Zafran, I understand. Okay, so let me write you the answer. I open the pen again. Okay, so the answer here I write as M. I write as M. Okay, the vertical we take from the Y, which is 5 over negative 6. But remember, for the simplified answer, 5 over negative 6 is not considered as the what we call the simplified or the this is not the simplified answer lah. Okay, the simplified answer, there are two ways to write. Either you write negative in the middle, 5 over 6 like this. Maybe I erase a little bit here. There are two ways to write. Either you write negative here, or or this is or you write negative 5 over 6 like this. There are two ways to write the answer. Either negative in the middle of the fraction or negative on the upper part. So this is what we call the simplest form. The simplest form. Do not write negative as your final answer. Negative at the denominator. Do not write negative in the denominator, the below part, as your final answer. No, Okay. Next, we go to question D. I think this is easy. D is easy. Let me copy and I give it to you. Okay. So let me erase this one first. Okay, use the eraser to. Okay, let me erase this one. Erase. Okay, just a little bit. Okay, can lah. Okay, now I paste the diagram here. Okay, so let me give you the question. Okay, you can try. Write the answer for question D. What is the answer? Question D, Okay, very good, very good. So I see some of you already disconnected here. It's okay, no problem. Tanjia, I got two names here. Okay, no problem. Okay, let me show you the answer from Tan Hock Lai. From Tan Hock Lai. Tan Hock Lai use green color. Okay, so Tan Hock Lai right here, negative 4 over 7. And the final answer also negative 4 over 7. Yeah, this is good. But actually, just like one answer only enough. Negative 4 over 7. Your first and second answer actually same. Okay, very good. Negative 4 over 7. Su Ji Cheng. This one you write 7 over negative 4, but your final answer negative 4 over 7. Actually, your first answer is wrong. The second answer is correct. Should be 4 here, should be 4. Okay, who else? Let me check here. Si Ruan. Okay, your answer, you write negative 4 over 7 equal to negative in the middle. Okay, actually both answer correct, but your first answer is already enough already. Your first answer, negative 4 over 7 is enough already actually. Okay. Oi Jung Hong, you write in decimal. Like I said, no need to write in decimal. Nicholas also same. Negative 0.571. Gradient usually we write only in fraction, not in decimals. Ng Chi Lim, negative 4 over 7, but you write the answer negative 0.5. I think this is wrong. Okay, let me, oh, sorry. Rizal Chen write negative 0.57. No need to write in decimal. Okay, Liu Chen Yuan, negative 4 over 7. Okay, very good. Okay. Chong Jun Xian, oh, you have many answers. Okay. Oh, Benjamin. Wow, very big. Okay, very good, Benjamin. Negative 4 over 7. Yes, that's correct. Okay, so let's proceed to the next question. Before that, let me just give you the answer. So for question D, the answer is negative 4 over 7. Enough this one. No need to write anything. So this is the answer, the final answer. Negative 4 over 7. Just one line only. Enough. One line only. Okay. Next, we go to question number 10. Today we do until question number 11 only. Okay, let me open the textbook again. Question number 10. Let me copy question number 10, A, B, C, D. Okay. Okay, number 10, calculate the gradient of a straight line that passes through the following pairs of points. Okay, so this one, we use a formula. So I just write here as M. I write M. Remember, M, I use M symbol for gradient. Okay, so the formula to find gradient, because this one, we don't have a diagram, we don't have a picture, we only have coordinate. And the coordinate, there are 2 points here. Like question A, we have point A and point B. There are 2 points. Therefore, we use this formula. We use y2 minus y1 divide with x2 minus x1. Okay, so right now we need to identify which is x1, y1, which is y2, y1, y2. Okay, so for question A, let me write this one. This is x and this is y. Maybe this one I use purple. This is also x. This is also y. Okay, so we have xy, 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 xy. And then it's up to us which one we want to identify, which is point 1, the one point 2. It's up to us, either A or B, point 1 or point 2. So I want to write point A as x1, y1. So this will be x1, y1. Point B I will write as x2, y2. Okay, so x1, y1 become 4 and 5. And x2, y2 is 3, 2. So we substitute the value into this equation. So y2 is here. This is y2. Y2, the value is 2. Minus y1. Y1 from here, y1 is 5. Okay. Divide with x2. This is x2. X2 is 3. minus x1. This is x1. X1 is 4. Okay, so 2 minus 5 is negative 3. And 3 minus 4 is negative 1. And don't forget, this is question A. Okay, so m equal to negative 3 divided with negative 1. You need to simplify. So negative become negative divide negative become positive. 3 divide 1 is 3. So this is the answer. The answer is 3. Actually, if you write like this, if you write, previously we write like this one. We write 2 minus 5. What happened if I write 5 minus 2 divide with this one? I write 3 minus 4, but this time I want to write 4 minus 3, backwards, compared to this original. Okay, so this one backwards from this one. Okay, 2 minus 5, I write 5 minus 2. 3 minus 4, I write 4 minus 3. So what happened? Let's see the value here. So 5 minus 2 is 3. 4 minus 3 is 1. And 3 divided 1 is 3. So if you can see, m equal to 3, here m equal to 3. These are same answer. Same answer. So which one you set as 0.1 or 0.2 doesn't matter. The answer will be same. No problem. Okay, so we finish with question A. Now we go to question B. Okay, let me write here B, question B. So question B, this one, this is question B. So I write here m as gradient equal to, so y2, y2 I take from here. This is y2. I choose this one as y2. So y2 is 7. Oops, sorry. Okay, 7 minus y1. This is y1. Y1. So minus y1. Y1 is negative 2. Don't forget to write negative and put a bracket for a negative number. So it becomes 7 minus negative 2. Y2 minus y1. Okay. Divide with x2. X2 is this one. This is x2. So 0 minus x1. X1 is this one. So x1 is negative 1. Okay. So 7 minus negative 2 is actually 7 plus 2. Negative negative become positive or become plus. So 0 minus negative 1, actually we can simplify as 0 plus 1. So this is 7 plus 2 divide 1. And the final answer I write here as 9. Gradient equal to 9 for question B. Okay, next question C. Okay, question C, this one. So for question C, again, m equal to, so I choose D as 0.2. Remember D as 0.2. Okay, so y2 minus y1. Y2 is here. Y2 is 1 minus y1 is this one, 6. Okay. Remember, I choose D as 0.2. I start with D. D minus C. D minus C. Y from D minus Y from C. X from D minus X from C. Okay. So, 1 minus 6. 1 minus 6. And then you should write 3. This one from X2 minus with 6. You cannot write like this. Okay, do not write like this. Do not write 6 minus 3. This is wrong. You cannot write like that. If you write like this, you will get a different value. Your answer will be wrong. Okay. So again, y2 minus y1 over x2. X2 is here, 3 minus x1, 6. And this is equal to 1 minus 6 is negative 5 3 minus 6 is negative 3. Negative divide negative positive, so the answer will be 5 over 3. So just leave your answer like that, 5 over 3. No need to change to 1, 2 over 3. No need to change to mixed number. No need. Do not write answer in decimals. So just write your final answer as m equal to 5 over 3. Stop here. Enough already. Okay, we have one more question. Okay, question D. So this is question D. Okay, maybe I give you this question. You try. Okay, let me copy first this one. Try to find the answer for question D. Okay, let me erase everything here. Okay. Okay, so this is the question. Try to find the gradient. So let me type here, gradient equal to. Okay, so you try. Okay, you can try open the whiteboard. You can try open the whiteboard and try answer question number 10D. Okay, I see Chanziki right already. Very good. Okay, I try answer question number 10D. G24 and H61. What is the gradient? Okay, let me try check Chanziki answer. Cho Yu Heng, you just put smiley face. Okay, Chanziki, let me show you something. You write this one, not very good. Wait. This one, you write not very good. You should write actually X. Make sure 1 is under, below part. Y1. Sorry, you write 2. Sorry, not 1. Okay, so this one should write 2 here. This is Y 2 down here. This one also same. You write 1 like that. It should be x1 under here, y1. It should be like this. So this is not very good, especially this one. Like look like a square. You write look like x square. Maybe you look like this, x square. So this is wrong. Should write like this, x1 here. Okay. However, your answer, let me double check here. 4 minus 1, 2 minus 6. 4 minus 1, 2 minus 6. Okay, so this is correct. 4 minus 1 is 3, 2 minus 6, negative 4. Okay, your final answer is correct. Very good. However, just your writing, that one. Okay. Okay, so who else? I see Chua Chongjun answer very. Wait. Yeah, okay. Chua Chongjun, very good. Chong Jun Xian, 1 minus 4. Oh, actually, Chua Chongjun is wrong. Chua Chongjun, this is wrong actually. Okay, let me show you why. Okay, this one. Wait, I have a call. Let me answer this call first. Hello. Salam, ya. Invite masuk dalam Google Meet ke invite apa ni? Okay, sekejap Okay, dah. Okay. Ya, sorry. Ya, salam. Okay, continue Sorry. Okay, sorry for the call. Okay. So this one, Cho Chong Jun. Not 6 minus 2 over 1 over 4. I should write actually 1 minus 4 over 6 minus 2. Wrong, So y minus x, not x minus, y on the upper part, not x. Okay. Okay, Chua Chong Jun, okay already. Who else? Oh, sorry. Okay, Lee Jason, so okay, very good. The answer is negative 3 over 4. Okay, let me open Liu Zhenyuan. Got, what is that? Barney, No. Don't know what is that. Okay. So y2 minus y1. The problem is only this one. Maybe because do you want to install the new version of whiteboard? No. Okay. Let me write here. This one, should write 2 here. 1 you write here, 2 you write here. This one maybe smaller, like this. Okay. However, your answer is okay. Your answer okay. Actually, this one, this is true, but no need lah. This is enough already. This is enough. Okay. Okay. Next, who else? What is this? This one very good. Okay, this is very good. Very nice. However, your answer, you write 3 over negative 4. Remember this one, you can write negative on the lower part or the denominator part as your final answer. Cannot, should write negative 3 over 4. You write negative in the middle. Maybe if I can write here. Okay, this one. You should write as your final answer equal to negative 3 over 4 like this, or negative on the 3, either one. Okay. Okay. Who else? Muhammad Muaz. Okay, very good. Green color, that one. Negative 3 over 4. Correct. Very good. Shui Qing also very good. Okay. Actually, most of you, okay, Ui Zhong Hong. I want to open this one. Very good. Lot of smiley face. Okay, correct. This is correct. Who else? Okay, who else? Okay. Vinny Slim, very good. Tiao Ming Wei, okay, good. Tan Jai Hai, okay. Okay, so far all of you quite good. So let's proceed. So we finish question number 10D. Okay, now we go to question 11. So this is the last question. We have another 4, A, B, C, and D. But question number 11, we use x-intercept and y-intercept. Okay, so this one no coordinate. Actually, there are two ways to solve. Either you use the formula of the coordinate y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. However, we have another formula. I will show you later after this. Okay, so let me copy the question first. Before that, let me clear this whiteboard. Let me clear. Oh, sorry, wrong. Cancel. Okay, sorry. Actually, I want to select all. Okay. Alright, what happened? Okay. Oh. Now we go to textbook. Okay, question 11. So we have another 4 question only. Okay. Now we go to this one. Question number 11. Calculate the gradient of the following straight line. So given A, x-intercept equal to 4, and then y-intercept equal to 1. To solve this question, we use the formula. Maybe I write A here. Okay, to solve question A, we use this formula, gradient equal to negative. Got a negative again. Negative. For intercept formula, always start with negative. Negative what? Negative y-intercept divide x-intercept. So common mistake with student, I always forgot to write the negative. This one, always forgot to write the negative, especially if the y-intercept is a negative value, like question D. This one, always wrong for question like this, especially question D. Especially question D. Always forgot to write the negative. Okay. So we use the formula now. Oh, sorry. Okay, continue. So for question A, y-intercept equal to 1. This one, this is y-intercept. Y-intercept, y-intercept equal to 1. This one, again, I show you. Y-intercept equal to 1. So don't forget to write negative first. Negative y-intercept. Y-intercept is 1. Over x-intercept. X-intercept is 4. So x-intercept is 4. And this is the answer for question A. Gradient equal to negative 1 over 4. Very easy. Question B. M equal to, I didn't write the formula this time. Okay. But don't forget to use the formula of intercept. Start with negative. Always start with negative. So negative what? Negative y-intercept, this one. Negative y-intercept. Y-intercept is 10. So we write 10. This one negative comes from the formula. The formula comes with negative. So always got negative when we use this formula. Don't forget the negative. Okay. Divide with x-intercept. So y-intercept is 10, divide x-intercept. X-intercept is 9. So 9. So this is the answer for question B. So this is the answer. Very easy. That's all. And then question C. M equal to negative. Negative what? Negative y-intercept. So negative y-intercept. Y-intercept is 8. So we write 8. Divide with x-intercept. X-intercept is this one. This is x-intercept. So x-intercept again got negative 3. Okay. If you notice, 8 here no negative, but here I write negative. Negative this one because come from the formula. From the formula got one negative. Okay. X-intercept, of course, we put negative because given the value of x-intercept is negative. Okay. So what is the final answer? Now the final answer m equal to negative negative become positive. So the final answer is 8 over 3. Okay. And then we have another question, question D. Question D. So this question I put on the whiteboard. This is the last question. I give this question to you. We see how many of you got correct answer. Okay, let me copy the question first. Okay, this is the question. Okay. Oh, sorry, not this one. Okay. I erase first. Okay, no problem. Okay, paste here. Alright. Again. Okay, copy again. Okay, copy question D. Okay. Now we go to this whiteboard. Okay, paste. Okay. Let me make it bigger. Put here. Okay, question D. So let me write here gradient. So I give it this question to you. Okay, so whiteboard successfully fudged. Okay, I hope you can see the question. Muaz, if you want to join, you can. Oh, but I already pushed the question. You can join here. Last question, question D. Try to get the answer. What is the answer? Is it 1 or negative 1? Okay, I see Chia Ting Huan already write the answer as negative 1. Chan Ziki already write the answer, but I cannot see. Wait, too small. Let me open. Chan Ziki write negative 1. Okay, negative 1. Okay. Balkish write 5 over 5. Oh, Benjamin. Okay, Benjamin write negative 1. Okay, thank you, Ben. Very good. Chua Chen Hao write negative 1. Yu Huizer also negative 1. Lee Jason -1. Joanne, not yet. Okay. Jackie -1 also. Lee Zishuan also -1. Very good. Leong Yang Jie, no solution, just -1. But your answer is correct. Liu Zhenyuan also -1. Okay, very good. What is this? LYJ. Don't know. Okay, Lim Shijia also -1. Lim Pei, okay. Who else? Louis Wu Chen, -5 over -5. No final answer. Lo Pei Chen, you write 1. Okay. Muhammad Muaz got -1. Okay. Okay. Akil Zafran got Batman, got sticker. But you write the answer -1. Okay. Okay, so far so good. So let me write you the answer. I see most of you write -1, but a few of you write +1. So let me write the answer here. Is it negative or positive? So M equal to negative. Don't forget, we start the formula for intercept with negative. Okay, so negative what? -1 intercept, this one. -5. Don't forget to put bracket for negative number over x-intercept, this one. Also -5. I put. Okay, so this one, negative, negative. There are two negative on the upper part. So negative, negative become positive. 5 over -5. And 5 divided with -5, the answer is -1. And so the answer, gradient equal to -1. And the correct answer is -1. So most of you got correct answer. Very good. Very good. Okay. So we finished already chapter 10. We finished already chapter 10. Tomorrow we will go to chapter 11, isometric transformation. Okay, we can stop this whiteboard already. And now I want to stop the recording. I want to stop the recording. Okay, stop the recording. Okay, now I want you to do the exercise. Today only 4 questions, not too many. Let me edit first. Gradient of a straight line, this one. Only 4 questions, easy question, not too difficult. You can do, I believe you can do, get full mark. So we assign to 3 classes, to A2, to A5, to B3. Okay. Everything is okay. Copy the answer in mathematics exercise book, maths 2. So I sign now. Okay, so after this, you can open to your Google Classroom and then open the quiz here in Google Form 10.1 gradient and try answer the question. After that, copy the question and write the solutions in your Maths 2 exercise book. So if you don't have any question, that's all for today. Okay, bye bye.
Thank you, sir.